You just like to skip around, don't you?
Five, six.
When you see a spot that you missed, go back and finish it.
More?
Yeah, go back and finish it.
Just dip it a little bit, Eric. Little bit.
No.
That's too much.
Too much.
Just a little bit, Eric.
A little bit?
Just a little bit. Just like, just a little bit.
Five?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I love you. Five.
Oh.
More? More the chips.
No, Eric. Eric, I've been missing you. Sour?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Salt and vinegar.
Oh. Thanks, Cherry.
He told you it was sour. Say, good.
Oh, our little trinkets we got over there.
Well, that's cute.
Got little
Christmas.
candles and Christmas trees and wreaths. Cute little thing.
Yeah.
99 cents.